Flower House, a thoughtful transformation by Craig Steely Architecture completed in 2023. Located in a former neighborhood corner store in San Francisco, this project offers a compelling exploration of how existing buildings can be reimagined rather than erased. Today, we take a closer look at how this home balances history, creativity, and contemporary living. From the outside, the structure reflects its past, unpretentious, familiar, and rooted in its surrounding neighborhood. Instead of replacing it, the architects chose to preserve its presence, allowing the original storefront character to remain part of the narrative. This approach honors the building's history while opening the door for a new life to unfold within. Stepping inside, the intention becomes clear. The design doesn't attempt to disguise the building's origins, but it also doesn't allow the past to dictate the future. The architects embraced adaptive reuse, working with the existing framework and introducing creative spatial solutions that expand the home's potential without overwhelming its character. At the heart of the open plan is a freestanding, flower-shaped tower, a sculptural gesture that gives the home its name. This central element anchors the interior, softly defining zones within the open space while maintaining visual continuity. It acts as both an architectural feature and an organizing device, offering a sense of rhythm and orientation. The interior layout responds to the constraints and opportunities of the original structure. Each space is carefully optimized to support modern living, making the most of the existing proportions. The result is a fluid, airy home where movement feels intuitive and the interplay between old and new becomes part of the experience. Furnishings and art curated by Studio Ahead further enrich the atmosphere. Their selections introduce texture, depth, and a contemporary sensibility that complements the architecture without overshadowing it. Together, the elements create a calm, cohesive living environment that feels both grounded in history and distinctly modern. Flower House stands as a clear example of how adaptive reuse can breathe new life into familiar structures. Rather than viewing the past as an obstacle, this project embraces it as an integral layer of the home's identity. It is a quiet reminder that thoughtful design can bridge time, transforming what was once a corner store into a place of creativity, comfort, and lasting relevance.